Day trading is a popular and exciting form of stock market investing that involves buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. The primary objective of day traders is to capitalize on small price movements in highly liquid stocks, aiming to generate quick profits. Welcome to Exodus Capital's Beginner's Guide on how to start day trading stocks today. It's essential to note that day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, discipline, and the development of a solid trading strategy to become successful. Keep this in mind as we navigate through the exciting world of day trading together. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Part 1. Understanding day trading basics. First, let's define day trading. Day trading is the practice of buying and selling stocks within the same day, capitalizing on small price fluctuations to make a profit. The main goal here is to close all positions before the market closes, avoiding the risks of holding overnight. Day traders typically use leverage to magnify their gains. But remember, with greater potential rewards come greater risks. Now that we've got the definition out of the way, let's explore some common day trading strategies that you can employ to conquer the market. Scalping. Scalping is all about speed and precision. As a scalper, you'll enter and exit multiple trades throughout the day, aiming to profit from tiny price movements. It's like being a ninja in the world of day trading. Quick, agile, and always on the lookout for opportunities. Momentum trading. Are you a fan of riding the waves? Then momentum trading might be your go-to strategy. This approach involves identifying stocks with strong price movements and